Sorry about that. Had a phone call, but like I said, we'll get everything cleaned up on the windows and stuff, make them look nice and pretty again. But we got it as close as we could. I'm not a metal worker, but I did my best. So, and then we'll get the new top piece on. I think that just looks so much nicer. So we'll get that taken care of. Get this peeled off, and I'll probably have to run to a supply house and get the gasket that I think is going to be the best. And we'll go from there. But, all right, boys and girls. Oh, wait, can I? Oh, that would, oh, could I? Oh, come on. Oh, well, it's a start. So we'll work on this a little bit more and see what we can do. But I'll try and get, oh, this would be, what a way to do a video. Oh. Okay, are we gonna get that lucky again? One down, one to go. Let's see if we can do this in a minute. Okay, I'm not complaining because that could very well have just saved me a ton of time. Okay, well, you guys get the idea since I'm almost done already, which is really cool. I'll try and get the adhesion off, a little bit of Windex, clean it up. Yeah. All right, well, we'll keep you guys updated because next, like I said, the owners had let me know that they were having issues with the top, that it was an absolute nightmare to try and lock into place like it's supposed to be. So I'll go through the mechanisms and see what the issue is as to how it needs to be. And we'll get everything cleaned back up. Hopefully we will have the top back up and lined into place with a new gasket to keep it quiet, because they said it got really, really windy in here. So, but we'll get it, guys. One step at a time, one day at a time. All right, boys and girls. Wouldn't you like to be my neighbor?